Hello, gentlemen traders and investors. The information and analytical service is in touch with you, Guru.Markets. Let's start with some summary information about the company. A little further, we will study each indicator in more detail. If necessary, it is possible to put a stop. We suggest that you carefully consider all the parameters of the company in question. Now let's compare the main fundamental indicators of the organization Vtex, ticker VTEX. This review is based on information as of August 13, 2025. By classification, Guru.Markets company Vtex belongs to the subcategory Soft Internet. 29 companies are involved in the analysis. We will see the order table at the end of this video. The overall result for the company under study is as follows: 7.5 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is 3.8 points. If you look broadly, within the US market in general, you can see that the average result for the entire market as a whole is 1.7 points, against a 7.5 rating for the company Vtex. By comparing the price movement of the company's shares Vtex and subcategory shares, we will see that in 12 months the shares Vtex showed a dynamics of minus 38%, against the price dynamics in the subcategory 98.4%. Market capitalization of the organization Vtex valued at $0.76 billion. With a subcategory capitalization of $238 billion. The company's book value is $0.13 billion. And the capitalization of the subcategory is $24 billion. By comparing the shares of market and balance capitalization, we can see the following. Share Vtex in the subcategory in case of stock market capitalization assessment is 0.321%. The book value is 0.54%. Assessment of the organization's share of the market and book value of the subcategory, good, 1 point. The company's debt obligations amount to $0.003 billion. Financial liabilities to balance sheet capitalization amount to 2% of capital. The company's debt rating, very good, 2 points. The company's stock price to profit ratio is 57.5. The average in the subcategory is 108.2. Evaluation of the market price to earnings ratio in comparison with companies in the subcategory, good, 1 point. Profits for the last 12 months were $13 million. The forecast profit for the next 12 months is preliminary $33 million. Assessment of the expected future profit indicator in comparison with companies in the subcategory, good, 1 point. The company's price to revenue ratio is 3.3. The average in the subcategory is 10.6. Evaluation of the company's stock market value to revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $230 million. Future revenue for the next 12 months is expected to be $370 million. Assessment of the expected future sales indicator in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 1 point. The sales margin is 5.8%, with an average of 9.8% in the subcategory. Profitability assessment compared to indicators in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's share in the subcategory by number of personnel is 3.857%, which is 1,102% more than the market capitalization share. The amount of market capital per employee of the company is $559,000. While in the subcategory there are $6,730,000. Assessment of the amount of capital per employee in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The company's profit per employee is $9,700. With an average in the subcategory, $62,200. Evaluation of profit per individual employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's sales volume per individual employee is $168,000. In the subcategory, there are $634,000. Sales per employee rating compared to companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. There are 7.5% of shares for sale, compared to an average of 2.5% for the subcategory. Indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 19% for the company Vtex. For the subcategory, this level is 63%. The company's actual share price is around $4.21. The consensus price target for the company's shares is around $8.88. Let's look at the table of orders that is available to you. A link to it is in the pinned comment. The order table contains all decisions made this season by the evaluation information and reference System.GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is free and open. Link in the pinned comment. Based on the assessment results Vtex. Information and reference system of assessment Guru.Markets, a decision is made. Open a buy order at $4.20. The order is open due to the fact that the company has a fairly high valuation and price change. The organization was assessed using the assessment methodology, the Akeem's Index. Take profit is set at 5.28. Stop loss is set at 3.12. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss, the order will be closed automatically at the end of the trading session on September 12, 2025, or on the last working day before the specified date. Ticker, LQDA, is a balance order to sell. The video on the balancing deal will be or has already been published on this channel. In case of closing one of the orders, the basic or balancing one, the opposite order is closed at the last price. Thank you very much for watching to the end and for using the help system from Guru Markets.